I'm out here at Terra Casa with Diana, and it's a beautiful day. People have been in their yards, they've been gardening, and they've been planting trees and shrubs. But flowers come and go. But you have some really fun, colorful pieces for the yard that might not be blooming.
Well, yeah, when you're needing that pop of color year-round, this is what you might go to. So there's a lot of stuff here that is just yard decor,
Right.
garden decor, the metal art, the think outside metal pieces, which are functional as planters as well as just an art piece. And then we have the shroomies that are
which are super cute.
Yeah,
by the
they're
way.
very they're made now to be outside year-round as well. A lot of color you can bring. This is really one of those whimsical novelty things that make you smile when you walk by your own garden. It's just, they're really fun.
Yeah, I mean, we're spending all this time, out on our patios. We've been working all spring on, decorating everything up. But some people forget to put in this other things in the garden. It's not
Right,
just
right.
plants.
And there's a lot of different ways you can do it. There's spheres, there's ceramic garden spheres you can just set in your landscape. There's the poles that you can put in, the welcome poles. That are also, they're on a stake that can go pretty much anywhere in your yard and garden. So bird baths.
Yeah, I was just going to say the bird feeders are
and bird
super
baths.
cool.
Yeah, they're really fun. There's this line has expanded greatly. This company, these are one of a kind pieces. So they're not inexpensive, but they are truly a collector item, and we have people who are now coming in to add to their collection.
Right, and like you said, they're all like lacquered and preserved, so they can be
Yes,
outside, so
yes.
they're not just going to
Yes.
rust and rot away,
Right.
which is super fun. So
Right.
it's great to be able to add that splash of year-round color just for the whimsy in the yard.
Right.
So Diana, it's a pleasure to be out here. It's so fun to come and browse around and look at all the pottery and the pots and the indoor decor, and especially all the fun, bright colored outside decor. So make sure you come on out to Terra Casa, come out and visit Diana and her staff, and come get inspired for your yard and how to decorate it.